Hey everyone, welcome back to today's lesson. Today, I'm gonna show you how to develop a Python program that will send message to Telegram account when battery power is connected. For example, let me connect my power charger. The power charger is connected and it will send message through my Telegram account that notify me the power charger is connected. Okay, the battery sensor is started and it's going to sense that the power is connected or not. If it is connected, it will send message through my Telegram account. All right, power charger is connected and let me check my Telegram. All right, as you can see the message is sent to my Telegram account. Power charger is connected. So you can develop a program that will notify you when the battery power is connected. But before that, you need to install the Teleton on your computer. So if you don't know how to install and configure or authenticate your Telegram account and obtain the API ID and the API hash, you can watch this video, how to install Teleton and authenticate your Telegram account for both development. Okay, once you install that, you can go back to this and develop your Python script. Let's import some useful module and import the Telegram client from teleton.in. All right, now we're going to define the API ID and API hash you obtain from the Telegram API by authenticating your Telegram account. All right, now let's define the Telegram client object and going to authenticate your Telegram account through Telegram API. You pass the API ID and hash to this Telegram client constructor, and it's going to start authenticating your Telegram account. All right, and it will save the session in the local file as notify file, because once it is authenticated, it will not ask you to authenticate every time you run the program. And the next is define a function that will send message. Then we can call the client.send message function, and it's going to send the message. I mean, here you pass your Telegram username. For example, my username is this one, and pass the message to this method. Okay, the next is define the function that will check the battery status. So first of all, let's print message that the battery sensor is started. And you can use while loop that keep the running the program in the background until it terminates. And you can then sense the battery using tsutil dot sensors battery. It's going to sense the status of the battery, either power is plugged in or not. And call the battery dot power plugged, and check that if the power is plugged. Then if the power is plugged, let's set the message and call the function send message to send message through our Telegram account. the message, for example, power charger is connected. All right, and call them the function message and pass the message argument to the function, and you can print that message if it is connected. And you can keep checking the status of the battery every 60 seconds, for example. You can call time.sleep and it will check the status of the battery every 60 seconds, and it will send a message if that battery power is or charger is connected. Okay, let's call the function check status here. I just finished writing the program. So when the status check is called here, and it's going to check the status of the battery. If the battery power is plugged, it will call the function, send a message, and this function going to send a message to my Telegram account. And I can check that the power is connected. Okay, let's run this and let me check that the power is connected. Right now, I just unplug the power and let me check that. Okay, the battery sensor is started now, and when I connect the power battery, and it will check that the battery is plugged in by sensing the battery, and it's going to send if it is plugged. So it will check the status of the battery every 60 seconds. Actually, you can modify this time. It doesn't matter. You can keep, for example, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or whatever, 5 minutes even. It is up to you. Okay, right now the power battery is connected and the message is sent through my Telegram account, and I can check that power is connected. All right, and as you can see the message is sent to my Telegram account, power charger is connected. So you can develop a program that will notify you when the battery power is connected. So this is a simple Python program. You can expand this Python program. You can develop an application that notifies when power is connected, where power is gone, without any additional devices, using Python, Teleton library, and PSUtil library. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching.